In this video, I'm going to explain the volume trends report on edgeful.com. So right now we're in the volume report type. We're obviously looking at the volume trends report. We're looking at SPY and we're looking at the trailing 3 years. So what this report shows is the average volume by month. So this is a very high level report. This doesn't really apply directly into any trades, but this helps you understand what months have high or low volume. So July has the lowest volume of any month of the year, probably because people are on vacation. And when there is lower volume, there is probably not as much continuation in certain moves. So in low volume environments, price action tends to be a lot choppier. In high volume environments, price action tends to have a lot more follow through. So you can see we're coming into March right now. March has, without question, the highest volume in the last 3 years. And that really helps you say, okay, well, if March has high volume, then I can tweak my strategy to say, okay, maybe March has high volume. If I start to see that kind of play out this March, I can look for more continuation plays, or I can look for more breakouts. Where if you're trading in July with low volume, you don't really want to look for continuation or breakouts. You might want to trade the channel a little bit more. As we go down here, this shows just the results of each of these in a table form. And then we also have each of the actual averages broken out in this table down here. And we have a little explanation here of what the report is saying. We have a little more down here as well. And if you ever have any questions about anything, this report specifically, you can't really directly apply to your trading, but this helps you have some market context. And you can always reach out with any questions. If you want us to kind of walk you through it more on a call, just reach out to the support and we will always help you. And if you have any other report ideas, obviously this button right here is the one. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.